The new regulation is applicable to all of the following, with the exception of A. Loans made to a business entity. B. Vacant land. C. Loans made to certain trusts for tax and estate planning purposes. D. Construction loans. What one phrase best captures the intent behind having a unique identification number? A. Responsibility. B. Compatibility. C. Liability. D. Accountability. The SAFE Act states that all of the following show that an MLO candidate lacks financial accountability, with the exception of A. Foreclosures within the past 3 years. B. Current outstanding judgments. C. The candidate has participated in a short sale as a principal within the past 3 years. D. Outstanding government liens and filings. Which of the following best describes a non-traditional mortgage product as defined by the SAFE Act? A. An open-end mortgage. B. Any mortgage other than 30-year fixed. C. An adjustable rate mortgage. D. A mortgage with a term of less than 30 years. An individual who works for any of the following, with the exception of A. A subsidiary of a depository institution regulated by a federal banking agency. B. A mortgage brokerage company under the authority of the DRE. C. A depository institution. D. An institution regulated by the Farm Credit Administration. Where on the loan estimate is the expiration date for the availability of charges and terms? A. Page 1 of the loan estimate in the loan terms section. B. Page 2 of the loan estimate in the loan costs section. C. Page 1 of the loan estimate in the rate lock section. D. Page 3 of the loan estimate in the other considerations section. Which of the following is not covered by the 10 business day provision for the estimation of charges and terms for all settlement services? A. Charges and terms dependent on the interest rate. B. The charge or credit for the interest rate chosen, the adjusted origination charges, and per diem interest. C. The interest rate. D. All of the above. Which of the following has the ultimate duty for the accurate and timely transmission of disclosures to the consumer after the borrower has submitted a full loan application? A. The creditor. B. The MLO. C. The MLO and lender have equal responsibility. D. The trustee. How should this situation be addressed if the MLO is creating the loan estimate form but is unaware of the identity of the wholesale lender? A. Mark the space NA. B. The MLO must hold on to the form and apply for an extension of the 3 business day disclosure requirement. C. Leave the space on the form blank. D. Mark the space to be determined. A residential mortgage loan is any loan that is primarily used for one of the purposes listed below, with the exception of A. Family use, B. 1 to 4 owner-occupied use, C. Household use, D. Personal use. All of the following are subject to TILA-mandated tolerance limitations on settlement service provider prices that may vary by any amount, with the exception of A. Transfer taxes, B. Flood insurance, C. Prepaid interest, D. Services the borrower is allowed to shop for. Which of the following time periods must be included in the estimation of costs and conditions for all settlement services? A. At least 15 business days. B. At least 10 business days. C. At least 5 business days. D. At least 20 business days. Which of the following describes the pre-licensing education requirements for MLO candidates the best? A. 20 hours to include federal and state-specific topics. B. 8 hours of revolving federal and state-specific topics. C. 8 hours every year. D. 20 hours to include federal topics only. Which of the following situations may result in the estimate of the costs and terms for all settlement services remaining available for longer? A. If the borrower wants to close quickly. B. If the Fed hikes the interest rate. C. If the MLO extends the period of availability. D. If the lender authorizes an extension. Which of the following is used to establish if the initial loan estimate was made in good faith? A. By looking at the difference between the initial cost estimate and the final costs charged at loan closing. B. When the borrower is generally happy with the outcome. C. If there are no changed circumstances. D. If the actual costs are greater than the original loan estimate. Which of the following would be exempt from the MLO designation requirement under the SAFE Act? A. A person who takes a loan application and negotiates terms on a residential loan. B. A loan originator who does not have to be licensed. C. A real estate broker performing brokerage activity. D. A contract mortgage processor. Which of the following organizations started the Nationwide Mortgage Licensing System and Registry, or NMLS? A. HUD. B. AARMR. C. CSBS. D. Both CSBS and AARMR. Which of the following organizations examined and approved the CSBS and AARMR model state law? A. OTS. B. HUD. C. USDA. D. Department of Veterans Affairs. Which of the following disclosure is necessary within 3 business days of application and results in guidance for the borrower about whether a certain set of mortgage loan conditions is a good fit based on the borrower's goals and circumstances? A. List of HUD-approved housing counselors. B. Loan estimate. C. Mortgage servicing disclosure statement. D. Home loan toolkit. The Housing and Economic Recovery Act, or HERA, of 2008's Title V is most commonly known as A. TILA, B. CRA, C. the SAFE Act, D. RESPA. What level of mortgage loan fraud is reported? A. Federal, B. County, C. City, D. State. Except for the following, all of the SAFE Act's goals are: A. Facilitate the collection and disbursement of consumer complaints. B. Improve the flow of information to and between regulatory agencies. C. Regulate loan transactions involving 1 to 4 units of residential owner-occupied properties. D. Provide a comprehensive licensing database. All mortgage loans made after which of the following dates must use the loan estimate? A. October 3, 2015. B. April 1, 2011. C. January 1, 2014. D. July 1, 2010. Which of the following describes the document that combines the good faith estimate required by RESPA and the truth in lending statement mandated by TILA? A. The loan estimate. B. The mortgage servicing disclosure statement. C. The closing disclosure. D. The home loan toolkit. The abbreviation TRID stands for A. Tentative Retroactive Identification Development. B. TILA-RESPA Integrated Disclosure. C. Tolerance Restricted Insurance Decision. D. Technical Reversal of Insurance Directive. An MLO may impose which of the following fees on the borrower prior to delivering the loan estimate disclosure and other necessary disclosures to the borrower? A. Termite inspection fee. B. Survey fee. C. Appraisal fee. D. Credit report fee. Which of the following other names for the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, or RESPA, is accurate? A. Regulation C. B. Regulation X. C. Regulation Z. D. Regulation B. Except for the following, all of the SAFE Act's goals are: A. Cap interest rates and fees for federally related mortgage loans. B. Facilitate responsible behavior in the subprime mortgage market. C. Provide increased accountability for MLOs. D. Enhance consumer protection. Which of the following organizations created and maintains the NMLS online system? A. FFIEC, B. FINRA, C. FTC, D. ABA. Which of the following sums up evaluation the best? A. Same as cost. B. An estimate of market value. C. Same as price. D. An estimate of value. The following details are specific to the loan estimate form. A. TIP, B. MIP, C. LTV, D. APR. Where is the rate checker owning a home tool available? A. HUD website, B. CFPB website, C. U.S. Government Printing Office, D. NMLS Resource Center. Every one of the following, with the exception of A. Director of the Office of Thrift Supervision, B. Department of Housing and Urban Development, C. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, D. Comptroller of the Currency. According to federal law, the following are not covered by the revised loan estimate form. A. Timeshares, B. Reverse mortgages, C. Mobile homes, D. All of the above. Except for, all of the following MLOs must possess a state license. A. An MLO working as a consumer finance lender or CFL. B. An MLO working for a federally insured depository institution. C. An MLO working as a mortgage banker through the DBO. D. An MLO working under the authority of the Bureau of Real Estate. MLO test. A financial expert that handles the origination, underwriting, and processing of house loans is known as a mortgage loan originator or MLO. The state in which he conducts business must grant him a license. Additionally, MLOs must comply with certain federal regulations. The nationwide mortgage licensing system and registry will give a test that you must pass in order to become a licensed MLO. Although the NMLS exam is difficult, it is possible with careful preparation. MLOs have different types of skills: financial knowledge, sales and marketing skills, customer service, attention to detail, communication skills, time management, problem-solving abilities, technology proficiency, regulatory compliance, ethical judgment,